In this video, you will learn exactly how to create affiliate links inside your PartnerStack dashboard. To do that, go to your programs. Now you see all the programs that you have already been approved of. So for this example, we're creating a couple affiliate links for 11 Labs. So just go to links on the left side column. And now here is your affiliate link. You can copy it to the clipboard and paste it wherever it belongs. Now another way to create the affiliate link is to send people to a specific page that you want them to land on. So in this case, scroll all the way down where it says create a custom link. Click on that. So you can title the link, add a description, and here where it says link destination, this is where you can click on the drop-down button and link people to a specific page that you want people to visit. In this case, we can send people to a voice changer landing page if our content is specifically talking about how to change people's voice. We can just say voice changer down here, and then we can create link. Just click on that. Now we have our link created right here. Now another way to do this is to make this link more brandable. You see how right now is this ugly long link? To make it more brandable, to increase your click-through rate, you can use a link shortener like bit.ly or something like Pretty Links, which can add a custom domain to it to make it more brandable. And we're going to head over to WordPress. This is our WordPress website, aiaffiliator.com. We have already installed Pretty Links, which I have another tutorial showing you how to install this plugin. Inside Pretty Links, just simply go to Add New Link. And here, where it says Target URL, is where you will paste in the affiliate link. Now down here, you can add a slug. This is where you can make your affiliate link more brandable. In this case, we're going to just say 11 Labs, which you can copy to the clipboard and paste it wherever it belongs. Social media content, link tree, anything like that. So if we go up on the browser address bar and paste in the brandable URL, it was going to redirect the user to the 11 Labs. And this is exactly how you can create an affiliate link inside your partnership, inside your PartnerStack dashboard, and make it brandable.